Honda CB750 Best Motorcycle Review 16V Inline 4, 5 gears. The Honda CB750 F2 is not the most exciting motorcycle to leave the Honda factory, but a competent, comfortable cruising motorcycle nonetheless. Adequate suspension, a good riding position, top brakes and a strong engine are plus points, but the Honda CB750 F2 is let down by average handling and a lack of real zest. Sadly, rather boring. There's a busy online community at the Honda Owners Club. Ride quality and brakes. The Honda CB750 F2 has a tailish, upright seating position, wide bars and good turning circles sound good for town work, but the motorcycle is heavy and this can let it down. Motorways and highways are where the Honda CB750 F2 is most at home, whilst fast, twisty lanes show up its lack of focused handling. Suspension's okay, but not up to much of a thrashing, and the gears are a bit clunky. Engine. The Honda CB750 F2's engine is taken from the Honda CBX750 and detuned. It's a smooth, powerful engine with a lot of torque and enough top end to keep most people happy. With the motorcycle best treated as a cruiser, its strong but laid-back acceleration means it's hardly hair-raising stuff, but that's kind of the point of the Honda CB750 F2. Delivery's super smooth. Reliability and build quality. Well built and well finished, the Honda CB750 F2 is a trustworthy buy. Plenty of the original 1970s Honda CB750 are still going. The suspension isn't bad, but on older motorcycles it'll definitely need some sprucing up, but engine-wise, you're looking at a long-distance runner, and the Honda CB750 F2 is also pretty simple to maintain. Our Honda CB750 owners' reviews show positivity in general, with the only negative comments around the suspension's inability to keep up on some sorts of roads. Value versus rivals. The Honda CB750 F2's arch rival was Slash as the Kawasaki ZR750 Zephyr, but the Honda was cheaper, sleeker, smoother, slightly more powerful and a considerably more comfortable motorcycle. The Honda CB750 F2 lacks passion, though, and verdicts of dull and a bit boring litter its reviews. For lazy, easy cruising, however, you could do a lot worse. Equipment. The Honda CB750 F2 is equipped with clear but basic clocks, apt for the retro look, but they're plasticky and look a bit cheap. No fuel gauge either. Loads of room for both riders and pillions, comfort's a strong point. The mirrors work well and the CBR 600 derived brakes are excellent. The Honda CB750 F2 has some handy touches, including a grab rail and a center stand.